The Healthline Shower Stool HLSS01 is a top-quality product certified by the FDA, designed to provide a comfortable and safe solution for individuals at risk of falling or seniors who have problems standing while showering. This shower stool is robustly constructed with a strong anodized aluminium frame, angled legs, non-skid rubber tips, and reinforced cross braces, ensuring a sturdy, durable, and slip-resistant showering experience, up to a weight capacity of 500 pounds. The compact size of the shower stool fits perfectly in narrow tubs or shower stalls with an adjustable height ranging from 16 to 19 inches and a detachable backrest, offering a personalized and comfortable bathing experience. The HLSS01 features a thickened PE seat and backrest, EVA seat and backrest pads, and drainage holes on the seat for good support, hygiene, and comfort, as well as to reduce the risk of slipping. Additionally, this shower stool is easy to assemble without the need for any tools and comes with a shower grab bar for added security. This product also comes with a 1-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and a quick resolution to any potential problems.